Hello friends, we are going to discuss here the class 8 topic force and pressure. This comes under the category of physics. The question first of all is what is the force and what is the pressure. So in the entire chapter we will learn about the force and pressure. Let's understand the terminology force. A force, a push or pull on an object is called force. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को पुश करना या पुल करना फोर्स कहलाता है. एग्जाम्पल के लिए सपोज दिस बॉक्स इज हियर. what I am doing, I am applying a force on this object. Whenever I will apply a force on this object, then it will motion. To push, मैंने इसे push किया. Similarly, to pull, मैंने इसे pull किया. The push and pull on an object is called force. A force may impart motion to an object. May, is it not possible that always the force impart a motion? But maximum times you will see, or according to your level, you understand that there is a motion, there is a force. फोर्स को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए दो चीज़ें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. वन इज अ मैग्नीट्यूड, अनदर वन इज अ डायरेक्शन. मैग्नीट्यूड मतलब 5, 6, 7, 8 न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू, कितना फोर्स है उसको नंबर से एक्सप्रेस करा. जिस तरह से वेन एवर यू गो टू द मार्केट, यू परचेज द वेजिटेबल, you tell 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg. Similarly, you have to tell how much amount of force you have applied. And the direction is also very very important in that aspect. How direction is very important, let's do that activity. This is the pen. If I am applying a force in this direction, the force is in direction, then it will move in that direction. If force is in this direction, backward direction, then pen will come in the backward direction. That's why the direction you have to tell that the force is applied either rightward, backward, leftward, rightward. So how will you show it? Via plus or minus sign. It's clear. Types of a force. How many types of a force? There are many way to categorize the force, but here we are categorizing the force by two ways: contact force and a non-contact force. In a contact, you are touching the object. Let's assume this is a pen. If I have to apply the force, then I have to touch the pen. This is called contact force. Non-contact force. Let's assume this is a pen. Gravity is applying a force on this pen. Gravity, earth. हमें समझ में नहीं आता, हम ग्रेड अर्थ में अर्थ. जैसे as I will drop this pen, it will move downward. Who is applying a force on this pen? The gravitation. Earth is applying a force on this object without touching. Earth is not going to touch it in upward direction, but still this pen comes down. That means the force which is applied without touching to the object is named as a non-contact force. अभी फोर्स के बारे में हमारा डिस्कशन कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, बट जितना हमने पढ़ा है उसे आप समझें और मुझे रिस्पॉन्स करें और देखते रहिए हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल अनवी कोचिंग क्लासेस. थैंक यू.